I found this wood pallet crate at Hobby Lobby for $12.99, 50% off. And I have gel stain antique walnut from General Finish. And here's a Gen foam brush. You can pick up at pretty much any True Value. I'm applying the gel stain with my foam brush, and I made sure I hit every side except for the inner panel. I grabbed this burlap tape from Walmart and measured out my strips that I'm going to need for the interior slats. 4 of them were one size, but the 2 end panels were a bit smaller. So I'm just cutting all my pieces to fit. And basically you're just going to peel the backing off and stick your burlap strip, just like tape, to the areas you want to cover. Just like so. This tape was very easy to work with, and I know a lot of people to get it to apply to mason jars. This just gave me a little texture and something different for the back panel of my crate. I grabbed this lavender for $11.99, 50% off at Hobby Lobby, and I attached it with floral wire. Going around to the back of the slats. And I grabbed this cute little sign also from Hobby Lobby. I believe it was $3.99 with 40% off. And I am attaching that with floral wire and a hot glue gun for extra security. Then I just grabbed a little white piece of ribbon that I had and made a bow just above the sign and cut off my tails. And there you go. It's a really cute wall decor. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, go check us out on YouTube. And for any Wise Owl paint products or Klingon brushes, you can go to chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.